Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to 200 USD per every sale you made with this affiliate marketing strategy. When it comes to affiliate marketing strategy, you always make money based on the sales you have made, as you know, and also you need to access the internet and the different platforms over the internet to be able to make such amount of money. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer now, and also I'm gonna be showing you this affiliate marketing platform, which you can be able to join and start making money, where you can be able to get paid 200 USD per every successful sale you have made on this platform. What you have to do, you have to come into your computer. You can either use your phone and whichever tool you have, and also search for InMotion Hosting. After searching for InMotion Hosting, you can see it's a web hosting platform which is selling different kind of hosting services to people, and also different domain name services. What you need to do, you need to come here and see you have dedicated server, which is manage dedicated servers. We have domain names, we have company, where you can be able to come here and check for the data centers. You can be able to read more about this company, which is InMotion Hosting company. You can also be able to come here and check for data centers which are available. For instance, if I click here, I can explore the data centers. Here you see USA, Ashburn, Vancouver. You can see USA, Los Angeles, California. You can see they have a lot in Europe, which is located in Amsterdam. They also have reliable web hosting. You can see they have 19 year of CNET certification. They have also PC Maggie Editor Choice 2024, so they have A+ rating. So now when you come to different kind of hosting package they sell here, that is what you have to understand first, because you're gonna be selling these hosting services to the audience, and once the audience are interested, they're gonna be coming and they purchase these services. What you need to check is for instance, if you click here on shared hosting, you can see they have shared hosting server services, or where you can be coming here and see your packaging or your plans. For instance, if someone needs shared hosting, you can be able to start from 2.24 per month, which is the amount of money he's going to be paying. And also he's going to be having two website, which is costing 100, where a person is going to be getting 100 GB SSD, and they're going to be getting unlimited bandwidth, free domain name, which is going to be renewed to 1 year. And also this is going to be free SSL certificate, and also 50k visit per month free, and free email, 99.9% uptime, live chat support from Helpful Humans, free website migration, malware protection, DDoS protection, web firewall application, 90-day money back warranty. So when you come here and check for instance, if you're gonna be seeing this, this is if you decide to purchase for 1 year. And also, for instance, if I click for monthly, you can see the amount of money is gonna be increasing, because you're gonna be paying 14.49 per month, which is different from if you purchase per single year, where you're going to be able to pay 2.24 and you will be renewing it to this amount. For instance, if I purchase 3 years, I'm going to be paying this one 2.92, and also I'm gonna be renewing to this amount. As you can see now, if you gonna be checking for this, you can see that you can be able to make much money if you're gonna be selling these services. For instance, if you let people know that if they purchase this big plan, for instance for annual plan, they're gonna be getting such amount of profit. That is also where you can be able to get profit and more sales. For instance, if you tell people that if they purchase for monthly, they're gonna be paying this amount. If you're gonna be calculating, for instance, you take 2.22 times 12, you're gonna be getting around 26. And if you take 14 times 2, you're gonna be able to get also if someone is gonna be purchasing for monthly package, only 2 months can purchase Hoya if person decide to purchase Hoya. For instance, as you can see, 20.24 times 12, see how much money you can be able to pay, and also it's the same package as well. So now as you can see, this is also on about shared hosting package. You can come here and explore for WordPress hosting. They have Ultrastock one for WordPress, VPS hosting for WordPress, which is here. If you click here and see, they have this package. You can see, if you click on see pricings plan for VPS, you can click here and go below. Here they have 14.99 this package, which is where you get for CPU cores and 8 GB RAM. You can get also 160 gigabyte NVMe and 5 terabyte bandwidth. So you can be coming here and select which one you need. For instance, if you go to professional grade, where you pay 37.99 per month and get this one, 12 CPU cores and 24 GB RAM, 360 NVMe SSD, unlimited bandwidth, 5 dedicated IPs, free SSL certificate, DDoS protection, free website transfer server setup. Also you have choice of control panel, you have 10 GB free backup storage, you have choice of data center location, includes US and A locations, you have live phone and chat support from Help for Humans, which is very good. And as you know, when you have also every time you're having a support from a human, that is something that is very important for the customers, and it's going to be helping the customers as well to get satisfied from the services. Also, this can be a great deed for you to take to the customers who you want to be telling about this news to come and purchase these services. So now what I need to do, I need to come here and if we go to Affiliate Marketing and see how can you be able to use this platform and make money, we have to come here and go to the bottom. At the bottom of this website, there is Affiliate Marketing section, where we have for instance, we have this one which is let me go down. You see you have this Affiliate Marketing section. I have to click on this Affiliate Marketing link. After clicking on the Affiliate Marketing link, I'm going to hosting web hosting affiliate program. You can see if I scroll down, this is what I was telling you. You can earn up to 200 USD on a sale with shared WordPress, VPS, dedicated server and cloud products. Also, they have something for all your traffic. That means if you're gonna be letting your clients, letting your business partners also know about these services, come in and purchase these services, you're gonna be earning 200 USD for every sale you made, for every successful sale made on this which have been made on this platform as well. So this is a big amount of money. Let's suppose, for instance, you made 5 sales, you're gonna be making up to 1000 USD from the affiliate marketing, which is a great opportunity for you to earn passive income. So now if you want to get started, what you need to do, you can be coming here and read more about this. Earn up to 200 USD per sale, monthly payouts, affiliate referral bonuses, high covering product and services, easily keep track of sales, deep linking to any of our page, custom landing pages, 90-day cookie based tracking, dedicated affiliate support, easy to use affiliate control panel, fast response to inquiries, personalized tips for to help you toward success. So if you want to get started now, what you need to do, you need to click here on sign up, and once you click on the sign up section, it is going to be opening. Let's see. What they tell you is to first select the languages you are going to be using. I'm using English as usual. What I need to do, I need to click on the sign up. So once I click on sign up, you can see it is going to be taking me to theimpact.com. So as you know, this is the amount of money they start listing, payouts 20 up to 200 USD per sale you made. Here is the list of items, SKUs, shared hosting, 65 per item you sell, 30, 50%, 20, 40, 100, 114. So you can see 200 USD if you're gonna be also on the commercial class dedicated to server hosting, where you're gonna be promoting these services. So after this, you have to read about these terms and conditions, which is legal hosting affiliate terms. After that, you have to accept it. Once you accept it, you have to sign up on impact.com or sign in if you already have an account. Then you get started also with making money. So what you need to do next is to sign up, and also once you are done with signing up, you have to wait for the feedback from the affiliate team. So once you were done, also you are accepted into the affiliate program, you can start now promoting these services and also enjoy making money by doing affiliate marketing on this platform. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share this to your friends, and also turn the notification button so as you always get notified whenever we upload a new video here at Max TV.